Okay, we are rolling on a weekend back on the two wheels. So today I was waiting at Forest Trek Park. Got a bit delayed, slight delayed due to the camera issues here. But I think we are rolling now. So we have our Shubham, and guess what? We have a surprise. So we are rolling. We waited here at a Forest Trek Park. So this is the Benelli, my old companion that is now being ridden by a new owner. So we are chilling out in terms of how it is. He's just loving the bike. I mean, I got a good customer actually, who's taking care of the bike really well. So we are here trying to explore the place, looking into these grasslands, vast grasslands out here in this region, as you can see. The boys are playing, trying to take pictures of this beautiful grasslands here. A secret place where you can chill out, find a shade and just kind of chill out here and there. Before you head into the grass, make some sound, stomp it. मजा आ रहा है गाइस को, हाँ? Alright, so I'll spend some time roaming around here, and hopefully the camera is able to capture the moments that we are trying to create. There's a small pond.